All right, hey everybody, RV Enthusiast here. Nice seeing you again. If it's your first time to the channel, welcome. And what I got for you on today's video is the Heybike Mars ride. Today, as you can see, let's take a look. Cloudy, weather's kind of awful. It's a little chilly. Yesterday was perfect, about 72 degrees. And sunny, beautiful. We had 2 days, but our weekend was phenomenal. I got some yard work done. I got a lot more yard work to do, but it's looking better. I was testing some of my camera gear. I do have a new 360 camera. I've used it once, I think on the last Heybike video. And I'm learning it looks identical on both sides. So, except for one little dark button. And I face the button towards me, and it's supposed to look out and give you the better view. But I had the button faced away from me, and so you get to see me the whole time. And then everything else is kind of around me, the 360s around me. So I'm not real happy with that. It's a learning process. It's a learning process. It's a learning process. And so I apologize that you have to look at me for the most of the video. I'm gonna try to edit it a little bit shorter, but man, it was a beautiful ride, a beautiful day. The Heybike Mars is such a fun bike to ride. I can't express to you how enjoyable that bike is. That bike is so enjoyable. Anytime I get a chance to ride a bike, I'm riding it, and that Heybike Mars is just a joy to ride. All right. All right, out on the Heybike Mars, baby. Finally. Got a beautiful day here. It's at about 68 degrees. I'm in shorts and a t-shirt. Fantastic. But, just so you know, it's gonna rain tomorrow. But we had 2 nice days. I got all my yard work done yesterday, and I get to ride a little bit today. That person in front of me is Laura. And you guys probably cannot see it. Mount Hood is dead in front of us. If you follow the road straight up, you can see Mount Hood, but these cameras probably aren't going to show that to you because they're too wide angle. So I got a bunch of different camera gear on. I'm testing some things. I don't have my phone in my phone holder, but I'm testing the 360 camera, and I got this one that I have on my chest that I always have. I even have one on Laura's bike, well, on the other bike we're testing today. So yeah, we should have a couple of different views of everything. One of my favorite bikes. Just nice, easy, not too crazy fast. It'll do 20, but it just is a pleasure. If anyone owns a Heybike Mars, you know what I'm talking about. It is a pleasure to ride. Bump. Oh, the sun at the back, guys. Oh, man. I've been wanting this all winter long. All winter long. All right, I'm going to do a circle. You're going to see Laura coming at us here. It's nice to ride on new roads, too. What are you doing? You know it ain't open. Oh, well, that's kind of nice. That's pretty nice. Kind of looks like it's used for winter for a retention pond, right? But how can that fill up and this not get covered?
Well, it's dropped off. See that?
Yeah, over there, yeah.
That was a good idea.
It's a great idea. Absolutely great idea.
Put in some benches. That was a nice idea.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Last one, we can walk in there. I'm going to go in that house.
Over there? All right, let's go. Are you in 0? Oh, why? Was it getting hard? I'm not going to walk in these. I don't have my earphones on for one. I can't hear anything, which is nice riding, actually. Yeah, guys, I'm riding without my hearing aids in. I call them earphones, but they're hearing aids. And it's very nice. Wind isn't there. Very, very nice. It's the best day of the year in Oregon so far. So the little Meat Chow mirror, great addition for this bike. Let's change this battery out, get it charging, and we'll add this to the video and we'll get it out by Thursday. Okay guys, thanks for joining me, and hit that like, subscribe button. I'm a non-monetized channel. I'm not going to make anything from you guys subscribing to me, so but I do appreciate the subscription. Thanks guys. Peace.